What's guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have our second update on the Tamiya Nissan fairlady 300 ZX Turbo, and well, she's ready for paint. We're finally ready for paint. We're gonna try getting paint probably next weekend. But we got it kind of mocked up and give you guys kind of general idea on what it's gonna look like, and this thing's gonna look so darn good. Pretty good build for the end of the year. So let's go ahead and show you what we got going so far. So the car is pretty neat, and I obviously just love the way this thing looks with the wide body and all that good stuff. So here is the hood. I showed you guys the hood, but the hood is good and it looks really nice. And we're gonna in this video we're gonna explain to you what color I'm gonna do it and all that good stuff. So the cool thing is the wing. Some of you were questioning about the wing and what does the wing do and how does the wing look like. Well, there it is, and it looks pretty cool. So it just hangs onto the back bumper area, and it looks absolutely just really incredible, and it looks mean with that wing. So here is the leg, and it kind of goes back here, as you might have seen, and then the spoiler goes up there. It doesn't angle like that. It was just, you know, for mock-up, you know, but it kind of thing goes like that, and it's pretty cool. So yeah, the wing is wicked neat, and it's something else. It's totally different. So let's go ahead and just kind of take this thing apart and get rid of these popsicle sticks. Okay, and yeah, so got all kinds of stuff here. So we'll get to the wheels and stuff here in a little bit, but let's show you the body, and we got the chassis in there. But here is the body. It is all set and it is ready to go. All the fenders are nice and filled in. I could have done rivets if I wanted to do rivets. Look like the body mount or the fenders or just kind of bolted on there, but I wanted it nice and smooth, flush with the body. So we did a lot of putty, a lot of filling and stuff, but it is finally smooth. And you might see some white on there. That is the white liquid surfacer. Just see which one where I need to sand out still and stuff. But yeah, this looks really good. Front bumper or front lower bumper is on, and there's that bumper that is cut out for the spoiler and stuff. And when you're doing this body, if you do have this body kit, make sure you do take precautions, because there's a lot of open area because there's a lot of windows in this car, and this is pretty fragile. So don't handle too much up here, because you will definitely break, like definitely these smaller, you know, pillar areas. So, but yeah, it looks good. We scrape it out where the gas filler cap is onto the wide body, and yeah, that looks really nice. So that's that. Here are the wheels and tires we're going with this bad boy. Look at this, it looks so nice. There are a 3-piece wheel, so you got your inserts right there. Then you of course your ring and then your tire. So really nice. These wheels look fantastic. Now the wheels do not come with the body kit, but these are the ones that the P24 guy had mocked up with his car, so he directed a file to these ones, and I actually like these wheels. They look really nice. They kind of suit the build pretty well. Side skirt, and here is your front splitter area, looking good. So that's that. So the color, so we were probably wondering, I do want to do a poppy color. So what I went my splash paints bin, and I kind of dig into a yellow. So and I didn't really have much yellow, but the yellow I did have I didn't have much of it left. So what I did is I mixed two splash paints colors together, because they were both like right here. So I mixed the orange and I mixed this yellow together, and it looks pretty cool. So it has like a nice yellowish orangish tint to it. It looks really nice. I'm not sure you can see that, but yeah, this is a really nice color. So yeah, we did mix two splash paints colors together to create one, and it gives it that nice color effect. It looks really nice. So we're doing it in like a yellowish orangish color, and it's gonna look really nice. So that's the color I want to do for that. And for the wheels, we're gonna do something different. I do want the wheels to be kind of popped out, so we're gonna do the wheels in white. So this is the white we're gonna use from splash paints. So I think it's just like a plain white, and there's no metallic into it. So really nice. And notice as well right on here, this is actually when splash paints came to N.Y.S. Some bottles kind of leaked onto each other. So so we're gonna do that in the white for the wheels. and stuff. I'm not sure if I'm going to do, I'm definitely going to be doing the center in white. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the rain in a different color. I might do it white as well. Who knows? I'm not sure yet, but well, time will tell. And also we do get our engine together. We are going to be using the kit engine. I was going to put in a different engine, but I was like, I kind of like the stock engine. It's a turbocharged V6, so it's a pretty cool engine. So we got most of it glued together. I think this is going to be aluminum or black. I'm not sure what color it is, but we are definitely going to be doing a lot of carbon fiber on this build. So the body, we're not going to do much carbon fiber on here. I think all this is going to be all body color. Basically, what is separate, we're going to do carbon. So we're going to do the side skirt in carbon. The front split area in carbon, the rear diffuser. Yes, this car does have, this body kit does have rear diffuser. This is in carbon, and this kind of thing goes back there somehow. So yeah, pretty cool. So this will be in carbon as well. And the spoiler, we're going to do carbon. So we're going to do that in carbon fiber. And then the hood, possibly we'll do carbon as well, because this is kind of like an aerodynamic nice sport hood. So we'll probably do that in carbon. So that's that. And the carbon, I'm not quite sure yet on the carbon fiber, which carbon fiber I'm going to use. I'm either going to use the teal pattern carbon fiber, which is the standard carbon fiber, or I'm thinking doing something completely different and using the Scale Motorsports crushed carbon, which is basically forged carbon fiber. I'm not sure yet. I'm still going to think about it, but I think the forged carbon might be completely different. I've never done forged carbon fiber from Scale Motorsports yet, so we'll probably do that. I'm not sure, but we're still gonna be using that teal carbon because I do want to do like the intakes in carbon. We'll probably do these in carbon. These will it's the 6 intakes, and we'll probably do the turbo intakes as well in carbon. Just give it that little carbon look on the engine bay, and look like, making sure make it look like the engine's kind of modified as well. So that's that. And for the interior, we're not gonna do too much to the interior. We are gonna put in a different steering wheel. And that's the steering wheel we got for it. So pretty nice. It's got a nice sporty JDM steering wheel. And then for the seats, we are gonna be rocking these Recaro seats. These look really nice. And then for the seats, we are gonna do them in different color. We're gonna do them in this Ferrari red. So make it cool. It's gonna stand way out with the yellow exterior, so that'll be pretty cool. So we're gonna do red seats. The whole interior is not gonna be red, it's just gonna be these seats. We'll probably do the rest interior pipe black or something, like the dashboard and stuff. And speaking of dashboard, I did a poll on my Instagram. I'm not sure which dashboard to use because this kit does come with left and right hand drive dashboard, and most of the votes said do the right hand drive, and I totally agree. So we're gonna do a right hand drive car. So we got the right hand drive dashboard, and it has a right hand drive steering, windshield wipers and stuff. So, and I believe there's some other stuff we have to do for the right hand drive. So we had to make sure we stuck the right parts for it. But yeah, so we're gonna be doing a right hand drive interior. Like I said, we're probably doing the interior in black as well. Just keep the interior kind of plain basic. But yeah, just upgrade it with the seats and stuff. But yeah, that's it for now. Hopefully, like I said, by next weekend we'll get this thing in paint and stuff. And yeah, so this one should look pretty cool. We're probably gonna do all this, like the engine bay, we'll probably do it in the orange as well. And then maybe the underbelly we'll probably do it in black, but we'll probably do like, I'm thinking I might do like overspray, like they painted this car obviously with the wide body. So we'll probably do like the chassis and like aluminum or something, because when these cars are in the factory, they're like aluminum style or primer chassis. And then with the overspray, we'll probably get a little bit of overspray on the side here. So we'll probably do like a little overspray chassis, like they painted the car. I could do the we'll probably do the engine bay in the same body color. Like they took the engine out. They actually took the time to take the engine out and painted the car properly with the wide body. So, but yeah, this thing should be pretty cool. So that's that, and that's it for now, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying it. And yeah, so we'll hopefully try to get this thing done before the New Year's. That's my goal, try to get this thing done before the New Year's. That way we can start fresh for 2026 and stuff. But all right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys next time.